Calculate Ka for each of the following acids given its pKa. Rank the compounds in order of decreasing activity. Okay, so we have A, aspirin. pKa is equal to 3.48, and then by definition the pKa is equal to the negative log meaning base 10 of Ka, so that if you want to know the Ka is 10 to the negative of the pKa. Alright, so now Ka for aspirin is equal to 10 to the negative of its pKa, 3.48, and you should get 3.31 times 10 to the negative 4. Next, vitamin C. Vitamin C, the pKa is equal to 4.17. Ka is equal to 10 to the pKa, negative pKa, negative 4.17 is equal to, you should get 6.76 times 10 to the negative 5 if you do that on your calculator. So on your calculator you do 10 and then raise to the then negative 4.17. Next, C is formic acid. Formic acid. pKa is given as 3.75. So Ka is equal to 10 to the negative pKa. So that should be 10 to the negative 3.75. You do that on your calculator, you should get 1.78.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Do y'all have some classes starting today?
You should get, oh, we're doing D, I'm sorry. D is oxalic acid. So oxalic acid, pKa is 1.19. So Ka again is 10 to the negative pKa. That would be 10 to the negative 1.19. You should get 6.46 times 10 to the negative 2. 6.46 times 10 to the negative 2. I'm sorry, this here, 10 to the negative 3.75, that should be 1.78 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay. Rank the compounds in order of decreasing acidity. Decreasing acidity. So what is the rule? The rule is the larger the Ka, the more acidic, or the smaller the pKa, the more acidic. So the smaller the pKa, the more acidic. Okay, so the compound with the smallest pKa would be oxalic acid. So oxalic acid is the most acidic, and the next most acidic would be aspirin, and then the next one is formic acid, and the least acidic is vitamin C. And again, why is that? If you write down the pKa's of each one, pKa is 1.19, I'm sorry, that's 1.19, Aspirin, the pKa is 3.48. And then formic acid, 3.75. And then vitamin C is 4.17. Again, the lower the pKa, the more acidic the compound. That's why oxalic acid is first and vitamin C is last.